What if the biggest threat to your business wasn't your competition, but your own assumptions about your customers? Most business owners think they know their audience. But what if you're wrong? What if you're selling to the wrong person? What if you're using the wrong message? What if your ideal customer doesn't even exist? In this experiment, we're going to unleash AI to drill down into your customer base and destroy every illusion you have so you can rebuild your marketing with precision. By the end of this, you'll know exactly who you should be selling to, what they want, and how to reach them without wasting time, money, or effort on the wrong people. I'm Jack Turk, the mad scientist of direct response copy. This is Digital Lab Experiment 18, the Avatar Illusion Destroyer, where we'll use AI to shatter your fake avatar assumptions before they can destroy your business. Here's why this matters. Most businesses market to a surface level avatar that isn't real. The best marketers dig deep and uncover their true customer. AI can expose hidden patterns, forgotten segments, and messaging gaps you never saw coming. And if you think you already know your perfect customer, this experiment might shock you. So here's the lab equipment that you're going to need. First off, you're going to need ChatGPT. You're also going to need a notepad or a digital document to capture your real customer insights. And finally, you'll need your current customer assumptions. It's time to challenge everything you think you know. The estimated time for this experiment will be about 15 minutes. All right, it's time to start the experiment step by step. All right, step one is to feed your current customer profile into AI. Remember, most businesses think they know their audience. Let's see if AI agrees. Okay, let's fire up ChatGPT. All right, here's the prompt you want to use. I believe my ideal customer is describe your current customer persona. However, I want to challenge my assumptions, break my customer profile down further. Are there hidden segments I'm missing? What different types of buyers exist within my audience? Give me at least 3 detailed customer personas. So I'm going to copy this prompt into ChatGPT. And my current customer persona is older gentleman, almost certainly older gentleman, but who knows? Or anyone interested in AI and direct response. Probably, I'm going to spell response properly. Response, probably within the Planet Dan universe, in that they know about Dan Kennedy. However, I want to challenge my assumptions, break my customer profile down further. Are there hidden segments I'm missing? What different types of buyers? Let's see what it comes up with. Here are 3 detailed customer personas within your audience that break down different buyer segments. Each persona reflects a unique mindset, an approach to AI and direct response marketing, ensuring you capture hidden segments you may not have considered. Persona number 1 is the direct response traditionalist, aka the reluctant AI adopter. Age is 55 to 75, probably male, 20 years plus in direct response marketing, business ownership, or consulting. Familiarity with AI is low to moderate, skeptical but curious. Key traits: hardcore Dan Kennedy fan, loves print marketing, direct mail, classic sales letters. Hey, that would be me. Resistant to change, but sees AI as a potential game changer, feels left behind by tech-savvy marketers, high discretionary income, but careful with spending, pain points, struggles to see how this can really replace and replicate the nuance of good copywriting, overwhelmed by modern marketing tech and automation, worried that AI will cheapen direct response principles, were concerned about losing the human touch. What they want, a clear, no BS guide on how to use AI without diluting proven marketing principles, tools and strategy to integrate AI without abandoning foundational methods, proof it can enhance, not replace, their marketing expertise. How to reach them. Frame AI as a multiplier of classic direct response, not a replacement. Show real world success stories of marketers using AI, low tech, high value AI strategy they can implement, appeal to financial pragmatism. Hey, e.g., for example, AI tools that cut cost. Persona number 2. All right. The AI optimized direct response, bleh. The AI optimized direct responder, aka the tech savvy marketer. All right. 35-55, male and female, 5 to 15 years in direct response marketing, copywriting, familiarity with AI is high. They are experimenting with it. Key traits: still respects classic direct response marketing, but fully embraces the tools, uses automation, email marketing, paid traffic, interested in scaling your business through AI-powered funnels, chatbots, content generation, looks up to figures like Dan Kennedy, but also follows modern digital marketers. Pain points: wants to stand out in a sea of AI-generated content. This is a really important point there. Struggles with finding the right balance between automation and personal touch. Needs help fine-tuning AI outputs for high-converting copy. Seeks better AI workflows for speed and efficiency. What they want: advanced strategies tailored for direct response marketing, practical use cases, not just theory, but specific actionable AI prompts and workflows. Well, I hope I'm giving you some of that here. A community of like-minded marketers pushing the envelope in AI and direct response, higher level insights on testing, optimizing, and scaling AI-generated campaigns. How to reach them. Offer AI-powered direct response playbooks, how to write winning sales letters, case studies of AI-enhanced campaigns, training on proprietary AI-enhanced copy frameworks, appeal to the desire for efficiency, scalability, competitive edge. Persona number 3 is a newcomer entrepreneur, aka the AI first business builder, 25 to 45, male and female, maybe 0 to 5 years in marketing entrepreneurship. Familiar AI is moderate, willing to learn, but lacks deep experience. Has never written a traditional sales letter or direct mail campaign. Sees it AI as a shortcut to mastering direct response marketing. Prefers digital first marketing, email, social media, funnels. More influenced by modern internet marketing gurus than Dan Kennedy. Well, you got to go back to the source. But I see that point. Pain points: lack confidence in their ability to write persuasive copy. Worried about AI sounding generic. Getting flagged as spam. Needs step-by-step guidance. Doesn't understand direct response principles, but is eager to learn. What they want: AI-based templates, prompts, and frameworks, a beginner-friendly roadmap that integrates AI with proven marketing principles, step-by-step walkthroughs on using AI for emails, ads, landing pages, simple tools and automation strategies that don't require a big learning curve. How to reach them. Offer AI copywriting challenges or boot camps. Focus on AI makes direct response easy and accessible. Provide done-for-you AI scripts, frameworks, and blueprints. Appeal to the desire for fast success and minimal friction. Hidden opportunities I might be missing. Consultants and coaches, mid-level business looking to pivot. They don't realize how much direct response principles can improve their ad driven market. Niche-specific marketers, franchise owners, local businesses. Okay, that's not bad. Younger marketers who want to master direct response, but most of your audience is older. Some younger marketers respect the old school methods and want to learn direct response because it gives them an edge over AI-generated fluff. Conclusion: your audience is larger than older gentlemen on Planet Dan. Targeting these distinct personas, you can capture skeptics, appeal to tech-savvy marketers, and educate newcomers. All right, and once I want help, well, I have another prompt to offer. Prompt number 2 for my chosen persona or your chosen persona. What are their biggest emotional triggers, pain points, and hidden motivations? How do they make buying decisions differently from the others? So we're going to drill down even further. I'm going to take one of those personas and input that prompt. Here it is. I'm going to copy it. So the one persona I want to go after, I think, is the newcomer. I'm just going to go after the newcomer. We're going to add this in. For the newcomer entrepreneur, what are their biggest emotional triggers, pain points, and hidden motivations? How do they make buying decisions differently from the others? Biggest emotional triggers is a mix of ambition, fear, and impatience. Their triggers involve fear of failure. They're terrified of wasting time and money on stuff that doesn't work. Desire for quick wins. They want shortcuts to success. They're interested in speed and ease. Then mastery, comparison and FOMO, fear of missing out. They see others succeeding online, feel like they're falling behind. They believe AI is a way to catch up fast. Overwhelmed with confusion. They're drowning in conflicting marketing advice and need clear direction. Validation and confidence. They want to prove themselves and others. Hate technical complexity. If something feels too technical or time consuming, they shut down and move to something easier. Just as an aside, I hope you're looking at this going, these are excellent fodder for copy. I'm looking at this going, this is fantastic. I can see how this could all be leveraged. Two biggest pain points. They don't know where to start. They're unsure of the right strategy. They struggle to write good copy. They don't understand persuasion psychology. What makes people buy? They don't trust their own instincts. They're new. They constantly second guess themselves. They lack a step-by-step roadmap. They have limited time and money. They're afraid of wasting effort on something that doesn't work. Really curious what kind of responses you're getting for your persona and your questions. That might be quite fascinating if you want to share that with me too. Hidden motivations, what they won't say out loud. Now, I like that a lot. They don't want to become master marketers. They just want a working system. They want AI to do the work for them because they think it can replace skills they don't have. They crave control, a sense of control. Many of them tried freelancing, dropshipping, or other online side hustles and felt powerless over the results. They want a business where they control their own destiny. They secretly want status and recognition, even though they talk about financial freedom. What they really want is to prove to themselves that they can succeed. How they make buying decisions versus other personas. The newcomer entrepreneur buys differently than seasoned marketers. Their decision-making process is faster, more emotional, and driven by urgency. It's impulse-driven, has a low tolerance for complexity. They follow authority figures. They love bonuses and perceived value. They're more price sensitive, but will spend on the right offer. They are subscription prone. They're comfortable with monthly memberships. Now that's interesting. And here's, again, great fodder for copy, how to sell them effectively, make it feel simple and step by step, use social proven case studies from other beginners, show quick wins, easy implementation, offer templates, swipe files and automation, make it feel like a secret weapon, sell the business in the box angle. Key takeaways, they're an emotional buyer. They need simple structured solutions, highly influenced by authority testimonies and bonuses. They don't want to become copywriters or marketers. They want AI powered shortcuts that get them the results. They are impatient but eager. If you give them the quick results up front, they'll stick around. All right. So, if I want help crafting an offer based on the insights, these were excellent insights, by the way. Now let's get to that final prompt. Prompt number 3 is write a compelling marketing message that speaks directly to chosen persona using their unique fears, desires, and decision-making style. Make it engaging, emotional, and impossible to ignore. So let's craft that precision targeted message using that prompt. Here's the copy. We'll just copy that prompt. We'll paste it in. Speaks directly to newcomer entrepreneur. And let's see what it comes up with. Tired of overthinking, struggling, wasting time? You don't need to be a copywriter. You don't need years of experience. You don't even know what to say because AI can do the heavy lifting for you. What if you had an easy button for writing sale copy that sells? Imagine having high converting emails, ads, and sales pages all written in minutes without staring at a blank screen, second guessing yourself, or wasting hours on trial and error. Stop imagining. It's not a dream. It's reality with AI. It's how you can turn AI into your marketing superpower. We'll show you exactly how to use AI to create emails get opened, sales pages that convert buyers, browsers and buyers, ads that stop people in their tracks and say, I need this social media content that actually grows your business. No guesswork, no fluff, no just plug, play, and profit. Why this works for you, even if you're a complete beginner. Again, notice how this is addressing actually all the fears and reticent, the doubts, etc. You don't need to master copywriting. You don't need to spend hours writing. You don't need to waste money. Since now you can too. So actually, this is built on the previous results too, which is really nice. Just so how low key there. Your shortcut to AI powered profit starts here. Follow our proven framework. Convert, create, generate high converting copy in minutes. Launch, sell, and watch your business take off without the usual guesswork. You can spend out months trying to figure this out. Choice is yours. Click below to get instant access. This is not bad copy. I would make a few changes and I'd certainly would use it, but it's a fantastic start to work with. So, in lab report, what did we learn? AI can expose missing customer segments you never considered. Different customer types respond to different messaging. One size does not fit all. The more you drill down, the more profitable your marketing becomes. Again, I would suggest you go back to all the other personas and run the same prompt and get that follow up information. Most businesses guess who your customer is. You just use AI to prove it. Now, when you craft an ad, write an email, or launch a product, you know exactly who you're talking to. Now it's your turn. Run this experiment right now and tell me, what new customer segment did you discover? How did your marketing message change after drilling down? And what was the biggest surprise AI revealed about your audience? Drop your results in the comments or message me. I want to hear what AI, how it shattered beliefs and illusions for you. Most businesses market to an illusion. You just found your real customer. This is Jack Turk. Till next time, innovate, automate, and dominate.